Hi everyone, so we've got this 2020 Toyota Supra back in with us for some more mods. So it's already got some bolt-on mods fitted. It's got a pure 800 hybrid turbo, one of our Whifbitz 3.5-inch titanium exhausts, Ecotec custom map, Whifbitz titanium charge pipe, MST intake, and it's got some nice styling mods as well, one of our Whifbitz carbon fibre rear spoilers, KW V3 coilovers, black diamond 20-inch wheels, one of our Whifbitz AP racing brake kits, and a few other little mods. This time we're fitting a Wagner charge cooler to lower the intake temps and increase the power. We fitted loads of these now. They're a great product, really worthwhile doing. We'd highly recommend the upgraded charge cooler on any Supra, especially the ones with higher horsepower. Like this one's running, I think it was about 600 horsepower when we did it last year. So we should see some nice gains. The Wagner charge cooler, or Wagner products in general, are very, very high quality. And all the products we've ever tried for all the different cars we've used them on, they work really, really well. So the plan is to do 4 power runs on our dyno before and after. So 4 runs with the standard charge cooler as it is. And we'll show you intake temperatures and the power figures, and then we'll fit the Wagner charge cooler to show the difference in power and intake temps. Okay, so that's the first run's done with the stock charge cooler in place. Run 1, it made 488 wheel horsepower. Run 2, it made 480. Run 3, it made 482. And run 4, it made 482. But the intake temperatures went from run 1, it went from 28 to 36 degrees Celsius. Run 2, 32 to 39. Run 3, 34 to 41, and run 4, 37 to 41. So quite a big difference from run 1 to run 4. So it starts off at 28 degrees on run 1, and on run 4 it ends up at 41 degrees. So next up we'll get the Wagner charge cooler fitted and see what results we get from that. Okay, so we finished the testing with the Wagner charge cooler fitted now. We've done 4 dyno runs as per we did on the standard cooler, and it's definitely made a difference. So the first run it made 517 wheel horsepower, versus the stock cooler, 488 wheel horsepower. And then run 2, 510 wheel horsepower versus 480. And it dropped to 506 and then 505. And also you can see the intake temps are much more steady. So they start at 27 and actually drop to 26 on the first run. Second run it stays at 28. Third run it stays at 28. And the fourth run it starts at 30 and drops to 29. So massive difference in intake temps. Rather than the temperature going up, they're actually dropping. This will have a bigger effect on a warmer day. Today is actually quite cool. It's only about 10 degrees ambient temperature. So if it was something like 25, 30 degrees ambient temperature, the differences would be much bigger. We've also fitted a couple other parts while it's here. We fitted a set of Rexpeed carbon door garnishes. We also fitted the Rexpeed carbon bumper inserts, carbon vented fenders. We also gave the car a service while it's here, a new set of spark plugs and Miller's oil and Toyota oil filter. So if you'd like your Supra maintained or modified, please get in touch.